So let's go to this front page here. I want to place this on with just a hinge. So I'm going to take like an inch piece of paper. I'm going to take it the same size as the piece that I want to attach, and I'm going to put glue. I'm going to put glue on this section right there. Looks like I can cut it off actually just a little bit more. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to place it so that I can put this over onto the other side. Let me remove these clips. So, and I want it probably about there. So I'm going to turn the page, see how I have it over. Oh, sounds like there's some water going somewhere in the house. And I'm going to put it down like that. So now this is going to flip up, this will flip over, and I've got these available also. More string. Okay, so let's bring these pieces back. So I actually like the added look that that gives. It almost makes it look like I don't know, like masking tape. So I like this over there. Let me look at this side. And I think what I want to do, I want to do something more rustic. I'm going to use a stapler there, but before I do that, I want to grunge up my piece a little bit. Take my stapler. There you go. And then I'm going to put that behind it. I think I want to actually add a little more piece on there. Okay. And then that can tuck right underneath there. So we've got that going on. And then this is going to go at the end of my book. It's going to go right in here. And I have to decide, I think I want that to also be a hinge, so that's going to open up. So I've got my hinge here. And this is just from a music page that I used earlier. I just cut it and still have it. So doing the same thing here, gluing it up. Placing my hinge just right along the edge. See, I have that cut so that it's not going above there. And then I'm going to have that over the page as well. Nice. Okay, things falling in place here. So seeing this, I think I want to go ahead and lay this in there. So with this one, I'm just going to go ahead and put some glue on both sides. And since it's already the same size as my paper, I don't need to trim it at all, and I can just place it right in the middle like that. So this darker one, I do want this one earlier. So let me take a look here. So I'm going to put it over the belly band like that and just kind of tuck it in, and then I'll do the cover here once I get to that page. So I like that 20 showing. I don't want to cover that up, although I like this by it. So let's keep going. So I'm not sure how I want to do this, although I just know that I want to do it. So I need to think about it until the inspiration comes. So I'm going to put that there for a minute. What I can do, I can put some washi tape along that edge. So if I do it here, a little bit of that blue will stick out, but it won't be so much that it'll take away from that. It kind of highlights that. So I think what I'm going to do right here is make my last flip up, and it's going to be for that page right there. I think that they go well together. So I have my last piece here of the paper, and I'm going to glue it up. Both sides. Yikes. And I'm going to lift this up enough so that I can place it at the top and create that hinge. I like that spot. So that'll flip over and that'll flip up like that. Nice, I like that.